Happening today, a California judge will decide whether new evidence warrants a re-examination of the convictions of Erik and Lyle Menendez.
Yeah, the brothers were found guilty of murdering their parents more than 30 years ago and sentenced to life in prison without parole. Their defense attorneys argued they killed in self-defense after years of abuse. ABC's Jacqueline Lee reports from LA.
Today, the Menendez brothers taking a big step in their fight for freedom after spending decades in prison. Erik and Lyle expected to appear together, albeit virtually. Their attorney trying to get their murder conviction in that 1989 murder of their parents bumped down to voluntary manslaughter. That could lead to their eventual release from prison. Today's hearing involves the Menendez brothers' claim there was new evidence supporting their allegations they were sexually abused for years before the murders. Today's court hearing is meant to create a schedule for future court dates, but the brothers' attorney telling our Matt Gutman that anything is possible.
Technically, it's a status conference, but the judge could do anything from confirming the hearing on December 11th to resentencing tomorrow.
Last week, California Governor Gavin Newsom announced that he was declining to grant the brothers clemency, instead deferring the case to the state's new district attorney, Nathan Hochman, who won't be sworn in until December 2nd.
Are you concerned that this may change the resentencing going forward?
No, not really. The law is pretty clear. I appreciate the fact that Mr. Hochman wants to evaluate it, which is fine, but that shouldn't delay anything because it's up to the judge. It's in the judge's hands now.
Meaning the new DA can't roll back the resentencing procedures that have already begun, essentially.
Correct. That's the law. The law is explicit. You can't do that.
With so much public interest in the case, there is a lottery here at the courthouse for the 16 public seats to view the hearing. Now, there are no decisions expected today, and the process could take a year or longer. Jacqueline Lee, ABC News, Los Angeles.